Ever feel like your webinar gets people 90% of the way there and then it just stops? You know, if your webinar gets clicks but no book calls right now, this video is going to show you a simple shift that you can use to start real conversations with warm leads before you go and rebuild your funnel or chase all those leads remaining on your email list. Hello, my name's Tina and I'm the co-founder of tinasandford.com with my son Dan. Yeah, we make fundamental fixes that your webinar funnel of choice needs to become 3% more profitable again. And we use Laurel Portier's ad ecosystem to increase your ROAS even further. So let's say you have a webinar funnel and in the past you've gotten at least 200 registrations for your webinar. And then you spent a full hour of your life on this webinar, but not enough of those people have booked in a call yet. Now, when most entrepreneurs experience this, they start reworking their offer. They're thinking that that is the main issue, but they're looking for the problem in the wrong place. What they need is a pre-webinar sequence in place. And if you want a full cheat sheet for this sequence, just drop the words webinar 2 below. I can send that over to you and I wouldn't even ask you for your email for that. But before you go fixing and advertising your webinar again, you might want to recapture some revenue from these ads you've run already. So here's what I recommend you do for this part. Just record a really quick message, just 15 to 30 seconds long. And you want to speak directly to those people who showed up but did not book. And you can say something like, hey, if you caught my training but didn't get a chance to book in a time to chat with me, I would love to know what stood out to you. And that's it. No push, no deadline. It's just kind of like a soft door reopening for them, okay? Invite them to DM you. Keep it really low key. And when they do, ask a single qualifying question, not 5, just 1, because if it's a fit, you can offer your calendar link to them. Now, this approach works because it's simple and it takes away that pressure for them to make a big decision right away. It's like soft, yeah? And it offers a moment of connection instead of another task on their to-do list, which we all hate right now, yeah? Now, will one video do the trick for everyone? Honestly, no, of course not. Especially if you're using online marketing methods where your audience is seeing loads of content from other people online. You may need a few different versions of this. So one could be for early drop-offs. One could be for people who watched most of the training but didn't click. And you could have one for those who ghosted you in DMs, let's say, for example. You know, that's okay. Just each video just becomes another conversation starter, another point of contact, and you get to see what works. It's just another way to gently bring people in without chasing them down. And as a few of them start to reply, you're going to notice kind of like momentum picking up, and you'll see those little notifications that let you know that people are actually paying attention again. And that's what keeps your pipeline warm without relying on cold traffic or a new offer every single month. You know, if you like the exact script for that message, the prompts to use new DMs and the steps to set this all up fast, just drop the word fast below and I can send this over to, straight to your inbox for you. You know, you don't need to rebuild your funnel or your offer. All you need is just a way to reopen that conversation with people and make it easy again.